Here are some of the most unusual celebrity lawsuits. Kim Kardashian versus Old Navy. When it comes to Kim Kardashian, it's no surprise that her looks mean everything. However, she might have taken things a bit too far in 2011 when she spotted actress Melissa Molinaro in an Old Navy commercial, who looked just like her. Kim quickly called her lawyer and filed a staggering $20 million lawsuit against Old Navy and its parent company, claiming that the company used Molinaro as a look-alike to Kim in order to promote their brand. The lawsuit never went to trial and was later settled for an undisclosed amount in 2012. Lindsay Lohan versus Pitbull. In 2011, when Pitbull released the hit song Give Me Everything, which included the line, "I got it locked up like Lindsay Lohan," Lohan wasn't too happy about it and argued that the lyrics violated her privacy and caused her emotional distress. She then went on to file a lawsuit against Pitbull, objecting to the negative connotation of the line, and claimed that she should have been compensated for the use of her name in the song. The case was quickly dismissed by a federal judge, who ruled that the use of her name in the song is protected by the First Amendment, which covers freedom of speech and creative expression. Mila Kunis versus chicken owner Christina Karo. Kunis's childhood friend, Christina Karo, was living on a family farm that owned quite a few chickens back in Ukraine. One day, one of the chickens disappeared, and Kunis admittedly confessed to stealing it when they were in first grade. Fast forward 25 years, and Kunis's childhood bestie filed a $5,000 lawsuit against the actress, claiming that Kunis had stolen her chicken pet and caused her emotional distress and depression. Talk about holding a grudge. Ron Livingston versus Wikipedia's John Doe. In 2009, a troll started to repeatedly edit Ron Livingston's Wikipedia page to claim that the actor is gay, which caused Livingston to file a lawsuit against the Wikipedia editor, alleging invasion of privacy and defamation. The lawsuit caused a Streisand effect backlash, leading to wider publicity and more pages and articles surfacing that claim the actor is in a gay relationship. Without a real person to blame, the lawsuit was going nowhere, so the actor had no choice but to drop it and move on. Dr. Luke versus Kesha. In October 2014, after 10 years of working together, Kesha filed a lawsuit against producer Dr. Luke for alleged sexual assault and battery, sexual harassment, gender violence, emotional abuse, and violation of California business practices. In response, the producer filed a countersuit against Kesha for defamation and fabricating the abuse claims to break out of her contract with him. Luke's lawyers later provided evidence, such as emails between Luke and Kesha's mother, where she says, "You are part of our family," and a handwritten birthday card from Kesha that was written several years after Kesha's alleged beginning of abuse, further confirming the producer's innocence. He stated that he had invested over $60 million in Kesha's career and had offered to allow her to fulfill her contract and record music without his involvement. In 2016, New York Supreme Court ruled against Kesha's request for a preliminary release from her contract due to vagueness in Kesha's claims, lack of documentation, and hospital records supporting the alleged attack, and because Kesha had sworn under oath back in 2011 that the producer had never assaulted or drugged her in a deposition for a lawsuit against her former managers.